Imagine you are merging onto the highway. You press down on the gas pedal to get up to speed, and suddenly the engine feels lazy, like it is dragging an anchor, while the check engine light ruins your afternoon. You scan the computer and find code P0081, which means there is a malfunction in the intake valve control solenoid circuit on bank 2. To understand why this matters, you have to think about how your engine breathes. Modern engines use variable valve timing, or VVT, to act like a set of lungs that can change shape on the fly. Your engine brain, the ECM, uses electronic solenoids to direct high-pressure oil into the camshaft phasers, physically twisting the cam to different positions to give you more power at high speeds and better efficiency when you are just cruising. Bank 2 is the side of the engine that does not house cylinder number 1, and that solenoid is the gatekeeper for this entire process. The computer uses a PWM signal, which is pulse width modulation, to control exactly how much oil flows through the valve. When the circuit goes out of spec, the computer loses control over the engine's timing, leaving you with poor acceleration and a thirstier engine. Before you start unbolting things, you need to check your oil level. Since this whole system runs on oil pressure, being just a quart low or having dirty, sludgy oil can jam the solenoid and trigger this code. If your oil is clean and full, grab your digital volt ohm meter and head for the solenoid connector. You want to see about 1 ohm of resistance or less between the terminals. Anything higher suggests the internal coil of the solenoid has failed. You also need to verify that the wiring harness is not chafed or shorted to ground, especially since these wires sit right on top of a hot cylinder head where they can melt over time. A great pro tip is to use an oscilloscope to watch the duty cycle commanded by the computer. If the signal is flat on your screen while the engine is running, your powertrain control module might be the one having a breakdown. Finding a simple bad connection or a sticking solenoid will save you from a massive repair bill and get that crisp throttle response back where it belongs.